Xounts is an innovative sound system that matches your style. This is some pretty cool stuff. We've been seeing them all around the show floor, not only in their exhibit, but at Showstoppers the other night where we were recording some of the program and at various areas here on the IFA show floor. You'll get a kick out of what they can do. The founder and product developer for Xounts is Oliver Richter. Hello, Oliver. How are you?
Very, very fine. Thank you to be here.
It's a pleasure. Now, first of all, how you came up with the name of Xounts? How did that happen?
We just wanted to show inside of our name that this is already the new generation of using Xounts inside of your living room. That means we took the original word Xounts and tried to bring something very innovative inside of this name.
Okay, and for those listening in the U.S., the majority of our audience, certainly, it's like mounts, only the M is an X.
Yes.
So it's Xounts. You have different models as well, but as I understand it, it's a speaker and a lamp combined.
We really wanted to satisfy especially women, because normally women really don't like any speakers.
Sometimes it can be hard to satisfy women.
Oh, yes.
I've been married twice.
Then you know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
So, but normally women really don't like speakers that much, so they really have a focus more on the interior design side. So what we tried is to bring together, one hand side, the technical knowledge, other hand side, the possibility to integrate it perfectly inside of your living room.
And that has to do with what style, I guess, what design you want to. It sort of looks, I don't know, Eiffel Tower-ish in a sense, kind of a pyramid, a tall pyramid. And for those that are watching the video podcast, come to our site and check that out, and you'll see what we're talking about as we're showing it.
We're showing how beautiful it is.
How beautiful it is, exactly. We're showing one that's MTV Style Your Sound, but what other options do we have?
Okay, I think you have got, or the options are unlimited. At the end of the day, we started with a collection of around about 20 different styles, and later on you have got the possibility to style your own sound inside of our net on our web page. Really? That means you can upload your photos in the future. We will be ready for that in the next 2-3 months, something like this. But if you have got an idea, if you have got a vision for a restaurant, for a nice flat design, then you just can talk to us and we will do this immediately for you.
Excellent. So put your own logo or put pictures of your family, whatever you want, on this speaker lamp combination. Do you need to buy them in pairs? Do you need only one? It's a surround sound kind of thing. Tell me, how does the speaker work?
We also wanted to satisfy the man in their decision, so we put lots of technical things inside of Xounts. You see it more or less only like an interior design, but it is really a high-performance product. That means you have got a wireless speaker. You only need one. We have got flat panel speakers, so that means you really have a beautiful sound surrounding in your whole room.
So would you put it then in the center of the room? Is it kind of a centerpiece sort of thing? Or do you put it on either side of perhaps your television display? What's the positioning?
Thank you already for the answer, because you can do exactly that. You don't have to put it in the middle of the room. That really won't make any sense. So just put it by the side. And what we arranged is normally the speaker system, especially in Europe, are going to go smaller and smaller at the devices for iPods and things like this. With Xounts, you have got the possibility from physical side again to have a very good and great sound inside of your living room, because we have got much more space.
Oh, for sure. And what are we talking price-wise now? How do you price these?
I think they are much too cheap for the market, of course.
Okay.
We have got two different models. One model is the basic model, and you can upgrade the basic model to the wireless model. You only have to implement this kind of wireless kit. The first price is $329 for the basic version.
And this is euro?
Yes, this is euro. Sorry, this is euro.
No problem. So a little more than 500 US probably, give or take.
Including 20% tax. And the wireless version is $469.
Okay, very cool. And again, it can be upgraded. You can invest in the basic and get started and then go wireless.
Yes, totally.
Now, it's not totally wireless because you still need electricity, right?
Yes, for the lamp.
Gotcha.
And that's right. And also for the amplifier, that means we need a little bit power, and then we are satisfied to bring our mission directly inside of your living room.
There you go.
But you really can build your own Xounts world inside of your flat. For example, you start with the first basic version, and then you upgraded it to a wireless version, and then you upgrade it because you take another one. You take a multi-speaker system, and you can use it from the same device.
Terrific. The website is XOUNTS.com/styleyoursound. We'll link you there when you visit our site, and you'll see Oliver's interview. Thank you for joining us here at IFA. Continued good luck. They're very unique.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to be here.
Our pleasure as well. And, of course, all 3 hours of this week's Into Tomorrow are available as free podcasts on our website, should you have missed a moment of them. And we encourage you to come by the site and check them all out, and make sure you watch all of the video podcasts as well. Dave Graveline with you next week, back in the good old US of A in Denver. We'll be broadcasting from the CEDIA Expo. We hope you tune into tomorrow.